Amid rising concerns about the Omicron new variant of the coronavirus, India has reported 3 fresh cases of the new variant, taking the tally now to 5 in India. The 5th case has been detected in national capital Delhi. The patient is a returnee from Tanzania and has been admitted to the LNJP hospital. 2 other cases reported from Gujarat and Maharashtra respectively. Karnataka specifically is on a high alert. It has reported highest cases right now of the new variant. Now, the municipal body BBMP has traced all the 10 international passengers, remember, who had come from South Africa and then gone missing after arrival in Bengaluru on 20th November. Meanwhile, Union Health Ministry has written to states and union territories asking them to take necessary steps and prevent the transmission of the mutated virus. States and union territories have been asked to test, track and treat to stop the spread. Health Ministry's move comes after weekly positivity and death rates witnessing a rise in few states in the country. Health Minister has asked the states and the union territories to check international travellers thoroughly and monitor the emerging hotspots.
ये पेशेंट हमारे पास 2 तारीख को आया था इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट दिल्ली से और 2 तारीख के बाद इसका हमने टेस्ट किया। पहले आरटीपीसीआर टेस्ट कराया हमने क्योंकि पहले इसका रेड पॉजिटिव था, तो दोबारा हमने आरटीपीसीआर करके और उसका जीन सीक्वेंसिंग के लिए सैंपल भेजा था जो पॉजिटिव आया है। आज ही पॉजिटिव आया है। बाकी लोगों के नेगेटिव आए हैं, उनके कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं जो कि सभी लोकनायक में आइसोलेशन वार्ड में भर्ती हैं। ये जो पेशेंट्स है इसको हमने अलग रूम में रखा हुआ है पहले से ही, क्योंकि ये तंजानिया से था, अफ्रीकन कंट्रीज थे, तो हमने पहले से ही इसको अलग रूम दिया हुआ था।
ओमिक्रॉन एयरपोर्ट पर जो भी लोग आ रहे हैं अफेक्टेड कंट्री से, जितने भी लोग हैं उनका सबका टेस्ट किया जा रहा है एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर। तो अभी तक 17 पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स एलएनजेपी में भर्ती किए गए हैं। 17 जो पॉजिटिव हैं उसमें जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग कराई गई, तो अभी तक 12 लोगों की जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग की हो चुकी है और एक उसमें से जो है ओमिक्रॉन का पेशेंट लगता है कि जो तंजानिया से आया है, तो उसके कल प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट के अंदर वो पॉजिटिव हैं ओमिक्रॉन से। फिर भी जो लैब से फाइनल रिपोर्ट इशू की जाएगी वो कल की जाएगी।
Omicron scare enters the national capital as one confirmed case has now officially been reported. What we learn that the person who has now been confirmed as the first official case of Omicron was traveling from Tanzania to the national capital. He was 12 among those samples that were sent for genome sequencing in LNJP, and 1 has reported positive. This has increased the Delhi government to reiterate their stand that they want flights from high-risk countries to be banned. With video journalist Pavan from New Delhi, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.
ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಆಗತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗ 9 ಜನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್? 9 ಜನ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೌದಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Now, with 2 cases of the Omicron variant of the COVID-19 virus detected in Karnataka, the state is on high alert. As of now, the Chief Minister has stated that any area that has 3 or more COVID cases will now be declared as a cluster. Initially, it was 10 cases to be declared as a cluster. They have revised that. Apart from that, it is now compulsory for those people who are attending offices or even if you're visiting a mall or a theatre to have both doses of the vaccination. The government over here has very clearly stated that people should not fear but should continue to follow COVID-appropriate behavior. And if you have not taken the vaccine, please go and get yourself vaccinated. With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.